Yo, what's going on, guys? Back with another video today, just showing you guys how to lower your car on RSR low springs. I do recommend to do these. They do drop your car a lot. If you don't want to buy coilovers, this is a great alternative. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first, you just jack up the vehicle and you get a 21, you take off your lug nuts. One trick, if you guys don't want to mess up your wheels, just use your feet and pop it out. Alright, so next step to do is you want to take off this brake line. It's 14. You just get your gun, put it sideways so you can get it. She's out. Just unclip her. Alright, now you need a flathead and just pop up that clip. Be careful, you don't want to break it. So a good tip is just pulling it out so you can have your flathead in there and just get it under there and just pop it out. Alright, so next thing you do is get a 17mm for the stabilizer. Pop it out, move to the side, so you won't lose it. You can just put it back in there.
All right, next you want to remove these two strut bolts right there. Kind of push it forward, try to get the bolt out. There you go. So just be gentle, because you won't get the axle out.
Alright, next thing you want to do is just pop out this little clip. Just lift up with the flathead. So you get access to the 3 nuts. And right back there. For the back one, you are going to need a shallow 14 because it is back there. And then be able to break it. Make sure you're holding it because it will fall down. So as you're loosening it on top, just make sure you're holding down and one arm on the strut and then one arm on the bolt and just drop it down. So just snake it out. Make sure you don't hit these lines. See how have these hooks? It can easily get hooked and you might set a line in. Careful up here, you don't want to hit your fender. Pull her out. And there she is. Alright, so now what we're doing is setting it up on the strut machine. This is the same exact thing if you were to use the strut compressors that you get at AutoZone that you can rent out. This is just all bolted onto the wall. That's the only really difference. So what you want to do now is just compress the springs, and you're going to want to take this off with a flathead, and it'll reveal another bolt that you got to take off once these springs are compressed. So you got to make sure it's straight as possible, and we're just tightening it down. just pop it off, and that reveals a nut. So you get a 19mm socket. Get it out and it pulls right out. So now we just take off the lid and it reveals the boot. You just transfer it to the new one.
Bruh.
So the RSR does come with a bump stop. So you just gotta put it on top and put the spring on top. So you just align the strut back. Put the boot back on. Jack up the control arm so we can have a little bit of pressure, and we'll ease the pressure when we take off the 17mm bolt. That's the only bolt you really got to take off. So after you remove the bolt, you slowly release the jack down to release the pressure of the spring, and after you remove the spring, you place the new spring and align it back to the control arm. that's how you install the lowering springs. I'll put the link down in the description where I got them. I did get them off eBay, but you can order them off the RSR website. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys find it informative. I will release an intake video and header video. Stay tuned, guys. Catch you guys on the next one.